Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a face mask which will help to treat your pimples, acne scars and acne problem. This face mask is really effective in treating your dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation as well, as it removes all the stubborn marks from your skin and also works on your pimples and acne. And this face mask is made up of all natural ingredients, so it will not harm your skin and will make your skin supremely bright, clear, radiant and spotless. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need neem powder, and neem powder is a very good ingredient to treat your pimples and acne. So here I'm just taking approx 2 teaspoons of this neem powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Now next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of honey into it. Now after that, you're gonna need potato juice, and potato juice is a highly effective ingredient to treat your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, as well as in making your skin supremely bright and glowing. So to prepare this face mask, I'm just going to take this one potato and now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. And now I'm just going to transfer all these small pieces into a grinding jar. And now after that, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water into it. And now you just have to blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after blending it nicely, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. Now we have to strain this paste, and for that I'm just using a strainer, and now I'm just putting all this potato paste into it and now straining it really well to take out all the potato juice out of it. And after straining it nicely, your homemade potato juice is ready, and it will look something like this. And we'll use this potato juice to make our face mask. So here I'm just adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of this potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need curd, and here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of curd into it. And after adding the curd, just mix everything really nicely so that it makes into a smooth paste. And here, as you can see, that my paste is a little thick, so here I'm adding more potato juice into it to make it a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade neem face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. And the consistency of this face mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should be so much smooth and lump free as I'm showing you in the video. So this face mask is highly effective in treating your pimples, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, as well as skin discoloration. This face mask will treat almost all your skin problems and will make your skin supremely bright and glowing. It also helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, skin tightening, and in anti-aging as well, as it can also work on your wrinkles and fine lines and will make your skin supremely glowing and hydrating. So you should definitely try this face mask if you have any pimples or stubborn acne marks on your skin, or if you have any dark spots which are not going anywhere, then just use this face mask. It will definitely work on your skin. So the easiest way to use this face mask is to use it with the help of a brush. So just apply a thick and an even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck. And after applying a generous amount of this face mask all over your face and neck, just leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries partially. And after that, just rinse it off using normal water and pat dry and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.